How to manage Discover on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage Discover on Google Mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here on the top corner, and now click this one, settings, and then click general, and now you can find this one here, Discover. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, this cover has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. It's easy, of course, just one click, and that's it. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.